Hi, welcome to the training video for the NAV 101 commercial vehicle tyre changer. The control panel consists of two buttons for the jaws opening in and out, two buttons to lift the jaws up and down. Your centre button rotates the wheel clockwise or rotates the wheel anti-clockwise. The bottom button is for the left hand arm, bringing it out, taking it back in, left, right. The second unit then is for the rear arm, bringing the assembly towards you or away from you. Firstly, we offer the wheel up to the jaws. The button on the side there has an in and out. Open the jaws out fully and try and go onto the largest jaws that you can. Take the machine up. Again, just make sure the jaws are fully locked out and bring the machine all the way up to the top. So we have two buttons for in and out of the jaws and two buttons for up and down on the turntable. Once at the correct height, bring the side arm in, roughly 10 mil away from your rim, and then gradually break the first bead. Once the bead's been broken, we can push the arm further in and soap up the wheel and tyre. So after breaking the front bead, we now move round to the back arm and break the back bead. Moving the arm in and out, again, turn the wheel, indent the roller till we break the bead, soap up the rim and tyre. Turn the wheel, bring the back roller out so that it starts to force the tyre off. That's the first front bead off, and again also by leaving that roller there we've nipped the tyre from falling off. Bring this slightly out, and then from this angle we can see our tool head coming past the wheel. Again, holding the tyre there means that it doesn't roll off because we've nipped it. The rear arm now is not needed for refitting the tyre, so that can go back. Refitting a new tyre or replacement. Soap up your tyre. Just hook the tyre over the top half of the wheel. Again, taking the wheel assembly up to the correct working height. Bring your side arm in, and you're looking to see the back bead start to force under the rim. Spin your tyre. On this machine we have also a further assist arm, so we can make way for that. Bring your arm in, lock the clamp, and this time turn anti-clockwise using the 3 traction points.